The twins.
The twins. Standard 10 My English 2.3 The twins. Poet Henry Sambrook Lee. Section Poetry 2.3 The twins. Cube 3. A. 5 marks. Extract 1.
In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother, that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him.
Cube 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Complete the web. Consequence of the same appearance of the twins. Their names were changed. Fearful events took place. It puzzled all the kith and kin. People got taking the poet for him. A2. Describe the same appearance of the twins. Answer. The twins looked the same and alike in form and in feature, face and limb. They grew like each other, and their similar appearance confused all the relatives and friends. A3. Pick out and write rhyming pairs from the stanza. Answer. Limb, him. Brother, another. Pitch, which. Fixed, mixed. Extract 2.
This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. I put this question, fruitlessly, to everyone I knew. What would you do, if you were me, to prove that you were you? Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow, my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year the same absurd mistakes went on. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John.
Cube 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Rewrite putting the happenings in the speaker's life in their proper order. A. The speaker's bride became his brother's for wife. B. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. C. The speaker got beaten up often at school. D. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. A2. Write any lines from the extract that you find the most humorous. Answer. For somehow, my intended bride became my brother's wife. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. A3. Write any two pairs of rhyming words from the extract. Answer. Dogged, flogged. School pool. Tied bride. Life wife.